Here's how to make a Josephine knot. Take the cords on the right hand side, bring them up and over, making a loop. The cords on the left will be behind that loop. Take the cords on the left, bring them up, behind the cords on the right, then you want to bring them down into that loop, behind, and then back up through the loop. Then pull it all up. And there's your Josephine knot.